Good morning guys, Brendan here from On Point Adventures. It's a little later on in the morning, we've had a bit going on today, but essentially the whole purpose of today's adventure, I suppose, was that myself and Jack wanted to check out some spots up the coast that we've been eyeing off on Google Earth and so forth, and we wanted to get to some spots that were fished a lot less often than normal. And we actually found some spots that I believe probably don't get fished often or if at all. Now, of course, today's purpose of fishing is going to be drone fishing for snapper. We want to get out now, the demersal band's on. We want to get out, we want to just get into it and see how we go. The rod and reel of choice today is something very new to me. Of course, I've still got my Prevail Apex, which is trusty, but above all else, we've got the PENN Fathom electric reel. Now, I can't wait to show you guys how dynamic this reel really is. This reel is an absolute game changer and has absolutely made the way we drone fish so much easier. Now, I know what you're saying. Oh, that's cheating. Well, I'm telling you now, when I'm doing 400 to 500 meter drops now, and I can check my bait in almost 1 minute, I don't care about all the accusations of cheating because, hey, I'm all for it. I get seaweed on this reel and I can just drag it straight in without getting sore arms. But the best thing about that Fathom also is the fact that I can control the fish when I need to around reef. And to me, that's a big game changer. But anyway, I'm gonna stop waffling. Let's get into the fishing and let's see what we can catch. Here we go.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic with this logic, you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic.
I'm built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing.
We're actually getting a few bites here for the first time today on my rod. Well, when I say first time, we've been getting a lot of pickers, but this, the rod at the moment was just doing something a little more exciting, and yeah, almost got half a zinger over that one. I think we've got a fish on here, guys. Oh, just pulling the reel out, and as you can see, it does absolutely everything for me. I'd say we've got a fish here of some description, but I'd just like to highlight, even if this fish drops off, how easy this PENN Fathom electric makes this. I mean, that was a 400 meter odd drop, and I don't have to worry about hurting my arms on the way in. All I need to do is talk to you guys back home in your armchairs and let the reel do all the work. As I said, I don't. Yeah, we've got a fish on, but it's not a record breaker at all. But I am pretty excited to get it in and see what we've got. Oh no!
Hit the reef.
It's hit the reef.
Brendan's fish on. He's
Oh, no.
bringing it in now.
We've got it off. Here we go.
This one here shakes.
We've just put the reel into overdrive. And the good thing with being able to keep this sort of momentum up is when we have got a bit of reef in front of us, we're able to keep the rig a bit higher in the water column. So that's the main aim here. Oh, there we go.
This could be a good one, man.
I might have underestimated this fish a bit.
Yeah. Brendan's on for beauty here, I think.
We just don't want to lose it now, so.
Shall I go down there? Might as well, eh?
So what we're doing is we've actually backed the drag off just a little bit, so we make sure that we don't pull the hooks. But what I want to do now is I just want to get a bit more control on this fish. So I've come off the electric. And I'm on the hand wind, which we're now going to switch back to auto retrieve. And it's a good little system to use when you're in some tight structure and you need to take some quick control of a fish. But yeah, we've still got 200 odd metres to come in. Jack's run down the beach there in anticipation that this fish will stay on. But what I also want to point out to all drone anglers is that a lot of fish can come off. We've got 400 metres of retrieve across some pretty hectic surface, so it's not uncommon to lose a lot of fish, and don't beat yourself up if you do. Oh yeah, there it is, coming across the surface. We're almost, I actually don't know what we've got here, but it's coming across the surface quite well now. Oh, well, I'll see you once I got this up. But honestly, how good's this pen? Up she comes, up the beach. And what's good about what's happened here is, when the reel starts getting close, it has an auto stop. And what we've got here is a little snapper. So let's bring it up. Oh, I'll just go grab it. But there we have it, guys. A little pinky. We're up past the northern barrier of course, the size limit. And this is the best size snapper to be eating as well. A beautiful little panny. So yeah, really happy with this one, guys. First fish on the drone this morning. We were starting to get a bit nervous, but as per usual, myself, Jack, we pull it together and we get it done. How good was that snapper on drone? I'd almost go as far as thinking that I may be the first one to have put a snapper on the beach with one of these Fathom reels on the drone. If I'm not, let me know, because I'm happy to be wrong. But what rig are we using? I'll just quickly show you. We're using the pulley rig that I showed you guys how to make probably 3 episodes ago, so I'll put a link in the description. But it's simply just a couple of snelled hooks onto the float, which good old Mr. Fullerton put me onto. Thanks, Pete. Of course, then just into a standard pulley rig, beads, down to a 5-ounce grapnel sinker. And then what's been making all the difference to me, and I don't want to show you too much, but it's a little concept we've come up with, which is instead of using a monofilament dropper loop, we're using single strand wire. Okay, we're using single strand wire. I know that's going to be hard to see, but what that means is when that's laying down the line like that, this line cannot tangle around this like it would a monofilament dropper, which causes all sorts of problems. But anyway, so there's a quick rig rundown on what we're using, and I suppose we'll get another bait out there, see how we go, and let's get Jack onto one now. Let's go. Right guys, that wraps up today. Fairly productive day with the snapper on the beach. Whilst it was only a small one, we put it productive due to the fact that we didn't even know whether the fish were going to exist here. We made a lot of effort to get in here, and as you see, with effort comes reward. It took us a long time to get in here. We've still got a whole heap of this stretch to explore in days coming up. We've probably got easy 4Ks of coastline that we haven't able to even check today. But all in all, happy with the result. Certainly a place we'll endeavour to fish again. If you have time, jump over, check out Rush Gang Fishing, another land-based angler that's doing fantastic things and a lot of valuable content that can teach you a lot on his channel. All right, guys, link will be in the description for Jack. I'll catch you on the next episode, and keep fishing.